Hey everybody, Carl with Gordon Homes. Something a little bit different for you today. In case you haven't seen our other videos or our Facebook or whatever, we have a couple of dogs who are ridiculously spoiled. Probably much more so than our children. Well, definitely much more so. But unfortunately, they smell like dogs because we live in the country. They get wet, they get smelly. Well, we got a bunch of blankets. You can see my whole back seat is filled up with blankets there. There's probably, I don't know, 8 or 10 like big blankets in there that they sleep with. It's sort of like our couch blankets they get on top of, and everything just smells like dog. No matter how many times we wash them, what detergents we use, what pet eliminator smell odor thing we use, they stink. So we're heading over right now to our friends at Sunrise Cleaning and Construction. They are a disaster response type of organization, so house floods, fires, all that sort of thing. They're the ones that come in, clean it up, fix it up, put it back to the way it was. They also have a really cool machine called an Esporta, which I guess comes out of Canada. And they started up there cleaning like hockey equipment because, you know, it gets all stinky and smelly and you can't get the smell out. So they got one of these things, and Bonnie, who is my one friend over there, has been talking for years about how great this machine is and at removing smoke odors. And, you know, if you've ever had anything near a fire, even a campfire, your clothes stink and all that. So she's pretty confident, actually she guaranteed pretty much that she will be able to get that dog smell out of these blankets. So we're going to drop these off over here, see what Bonnie has to say. We're going to try and get a look at her process. May need to look at that process tomorrow when we pick things up because we're a little pressed for time today. But hopefully we'll get back some decent smelling blankets, and it should be a whole lot less expensive to get these cleaned than to have to replace them. So pretty excited about that because it's just every time you pull a blanket over, oh god, it stinks. So we're gonna head over here and see how things go. So we will see you in a minute. Bye. All right, so here we are pulling into Sunrise Cleaning and Construction Services here in Lansing. Big beautiful facility they have here. We enjoy coming over here and hanging out with them and seeing all their stuff. So we're gonna get parked and we'll take stuff in and we'll see you in a minute. So we're back here heading towards the machine that Bonnie's showing us, and this is the Esporta. Yep. So I know you do hockey equipment is how this kind of all started, and you can do like all the stuffies and all that kind of stuff that we see here.
Clothes.
So what makes this so different than like that or that? So why is this a different kind of thing?
This has a drum and it rotates, so it pushes the water through the clothes and it just doesn't agitate them. So you get a better clean than you would in a regular washer.
Cool. And then do you use like a specific type of detergent, or it's not really a chemical from what you said?
There are 4 different buckets and it's natural ingredients.
Okay. So it's not like the super harsh chemicals they have to worry about being caustic and all that.
Nope.
Well, awesome. Well, we got our blankets dropped off to you, so we'll pick them up tomorrow and see how things came. We're happy to have not stinky dog blankets for a change, so we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day. We are heading back over to Sunrise Cleaning and Construction, pick up those blankets and see how things came out. It's kind of a silly thing, but I'm actually really excited to have some non-dog smelly blankets just to cuddle up with on the couch or whatever. So we'll see how things look, and we'll take you along for the ride. So I'm at home now, in case you can't tell by my hair. And I had done a video when I picked the blankets up, but apparently I must have double tapped the record button and it didn't get. So here we go. This blanket is just this old fleece blanket my mom made me, gosh, probably 10 years ago. It was all super hard and crusty. It just reeked of dog. It was awful, like unusable. But now, I mean, it's 100% nothing. It's pretty freaking awesome. This blanket was what we used to kind of cover the front of the dog cage, so try to help with barking when they saw something. Of course, they always pulled it down because they're dogs, and it was basically the bottom of their little area where they hang out. It was so bad, and now, I mean, like literally smells like a brand new blanket. Even better, it's got a nice little fragrance to it. Just a very mild scent. So we had, oh gosh, let's see, there's that one there that we had done. These couple, We had these ones in here that were done. The mat, kind of like thick mat that we had in the dog area for them to sleep on and stuff. It's amazing. It's like, it smells like nothing. So a lot of the stuff was like almost unusable. It was so bad. So if you're in the greater Lansing area, have some smelly dog blankets, sports equipment, something that just stinks, something that was in your basement that got mildewy or whatever, give Sunrise Cleaning and Restoration a call. We'll put their information down in the comments or the show notes. But they're amazing. And we got all these done for like 35 bucks. It was dumb. And it's probably 200 bucks worth of blankets. So just an FYI. So we love them. They're great. Super great crew over there. Bonnie and Scott, the owners, are awesome people. They have fantastic staff with them, and really an impressive machine. I wish the other video had worked because it was a little better than me sitting here talking to you. But ultimately, well worth the 35 bucks. And they got back to us like the next morning. So super fast turnaround even. So give them a call. Like and subscribe below for more goofy, rando, eclectic videos like this. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time.